So I have here a brand new box with a Goliath in it. This can be assembled both as a Goliath rock grinder and also a Goliath truck. I have built two Goliath rock grinders already. I've built one Goliath truck, and I think I'm going to build another Goliath truck with this set right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Got the back here, which shows all kinds of different options that we can make, and we'll look at the parts as we pull them out. All right, so we see a lot of different options here. Here we've got the mounting bit for the heavy weapons that are available for the rock grinder, the flamer, and the seismic cannon, and all of that. Got a couple of the tires and wheels here. We see all the drill bits for the front of the rock grinder. Those are really fun for conversions. I've got a couple of conversions planned for this transport, and definitely going to be using some of those bits there. There's also options for having the crew standing in back, and if you don't plan on using these are also really great for adding additional options to your neophyte squads. I've definitely used some of these for character conversions and heavy weapons conversions and special weapons conversions. There's some great bits in here that can be used interchangeably with some of your other squads that you have here. We also have some autocannons down here. Those are fun for conversions as well. I like using those for some of my Brood Brothers squads, things like that. We've got the sprue with more of the meat and potatoes of the transport. We got the front of the transport here. We got our big old drill blade right here. And we can see the sides and all of the other pieces that are going to come together to make our transport here today. Lastly, we've got our dedicated instruction manual, and this does come with instructions on building both the transport, which I'm going to make, and then the rock grinder, which has a few different options right there. Now, unfortunately, this does not come with any transfers or slides or decals or anything like that. So what I'm actually going to do is I made some stencils a while back, and I'm going to be adding some spray paint style stencils onto my transport to get that to look good. But we've got a lot of great options here. We got a lot of wonderful individual parts. We got some great heads over here, some bodies, and all of that. And we're going to put this together. I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how I put together this rock grinder transport.